I'm gonna keep it for bloopers now.
Yeah,
for what
that's it, you're the blooper. You're the first blooper, bro.
So what's going on, people? Welcome back to YK Recreation. Let me just put my belt on really quick because this Evo is not no joke. Thanks to Fahim, we have got this very special Evo 10 FQ300 on the channel. He's just gonna go through a few bits of what he's done to the car, because I've seen a few Evo 10s and this looks different, the lights look different, the back end looks different. If you've seen the trailer, Fahim's got very good control of a drone, so he did them shots to help me out. So big up Fahim for doing them shots for us. So yeah, bro, do you want to start about on the engine? Let's see what
so
engine
yeah,
is.
the base is a FQ300.
Okay.
Then I've had a 3-port boost controller. Got a remap from Simon Norton in Sheffield. Big shout out. He's a good guy. He tells you straight up, he's not there just there to make the money on you.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, he introduced me to the Evo X forums and all the rest of it, so I got really good feedback from from him anyway. And then he took me up to 400 brake.
400 bhp?
Yeah, 400
It's a lot of power then.
Yeah.
It's a lot of power.
It's good, man. Alhamdulillah, it's good.
Yeah.
And so then, what else? Oh yeah, he tuned it in. It was a road map on the exhaust, cutback exhaust, HKS panel filter. And whilst I was there, I did my spark plugs and stuff as well. So he tuned it in. Look at this, man. You have to compete with rapid driving whilst you're doing a video. So yeah, he put a pop and bang map on. The good thing about the pop and bang is that if it's in normal mode, then it's okay. But in sports or super sport mode, then that's when you can hear the pop and bang.
So wheels, brakes and suspension, are these standard Evo 10 wheels?
Yeah, standard
they look
wheels.
nice, they look like them OZ type of racing wheels.
I think they're made by Enkai. These standard wheels are made by Enkai. They're lightweight alloy wheels, but I've got some more stuff coming. So the car's not finished, nowhere near finished. I've done a full respray on it myself. Yeah, it's a pearl, octane blue pearl, standard colour. Didn't do a colour change. And got the front windscreen tinted, all the windows tinted. And that's about
got
it.
that nice dark look to it.
Yeah, exactly.
That nice feel to it.
Yeah. It's not too dark, it's okay. It's still doable. And then I've got all the carbon bits, carbon front lip, carbon bonnet vents, carbon air ducts. So that's
the sharks, you've got nice carbon things at the back as well.
Yeah,
the vortex.
Yeah, vortex generator.
Yeah.
That's carbon as well. I did a delete on the fog lights, and I put CCFL lights on because it's got AFS. So
what's AFS?
Active front steering. So when you turn left or right, then the beam used to come on. But like you said, I've got upgraded headlights.
Right, so does your headlights turn whenever?
Yeah, so they used to turn. So what I've done now, because the canvas, because these cars are really, really clever.
Okay.
Even though they're 2008, obviously Jap cars are well ahead of the time.
Oh, so this is 2008, I didn't know.
Yeah, it's a 2000. Oh yeah, it's a 2008.
It's 2008.
I've had the car for 7 years.
Right.
But it's been parked up. It's been parked up for 7 years, literally. So I've put CCFL light up just above. You can't see him. I'll show you him now. It's gone a bit darker. I'll show you him now, so you'll be able to catch them.
And you've got floating discs. I've noticed that.
Yeah, they're standard floating Brembos.
Oh, do they come?
Yeah, standard.
Oh, okay.
Standard.
Yeah.
All of that
I thought they were upgraded discs.
No. They're standard floating Brembo. It's all the Brembo standard setup. They give you a lot of extras, to be honest with you. I've put this head unit in Android with a rear camera, and that's about it. Oh, I've got this throttle controller.
Yeah, I've seen that when I was doing the shoot. Guys, I'll put you up in a second. But what does that do then? What does that control?
I can adjust my throttles to become more sensitive, or it can go in like equal mode, so it basically starves it. From down the spectrum, I've got 9 settings.
Have you?
From 0 to 9, yeah.
And did Simon Norton do that in the
No, I did that myself.
Oh, no.
Yeah, it's not. It was one of those things that I just got because I wanted more power out of the car.
Yeah.
But at that time, I didn't want to do anything to the engine because I was buying and selling these cars before.
Okay.
This is my 5th Evo 10.
Right.
So
you've had a lot of Evo 10s.
I've had quite.
And this, have you all had? Have they always been autos?
Yeah, auto.
Do you prefer autos because of the quick G?
It's a twin clutch system, so by the time you're thinking about changing gear, I've already changed.
Guys, you'll find out in a second. This car shifts. I'm telling you, so stay tuned.
Yeah.
And the exhaust, you were saying you bought?
Oh yeah, I've got INVIDIA cutback exhaust.
Yeah, they look
So,
cool. Them,
yeah, I'm
man.
waiting for my NVIDIA downpipe as well.
But
So I've got a downpipe.
it looks really nice the way it splits.
Titanium, yeah, titanium split.
All right.
And it's like the MR2s with the separate cans.
Separate cans, yeah.
The way it
yeah.
splits to an angle.
That looks really nice.
Yeah, but the only problem is the diffuser comes down so low that it covers it. You can't really see it unless you get up underneath it.
Maybe you could chop a little piece of your back bumper out and put like a bit of carbon there.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, like the way you've put your nice carbon at the front.
Yeah,
you could maybe make like a little bit.
No, thinking, you know, just underneath the number plate. If I just cut that out. But now I'm thinking I want to do something else with the back bumper anyway. Yeah. I've got some surprises coming.
He's a project man. He's a project man. Trust me, he does some bits to his car.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna be going out for a spin now. So
stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
When you're driving, you're always in manual when you're on power.
Yeah, I'm on.
All right.
I'm a shit passenger, bro. I've been in too many accidents, man.
Okay. But I tell you something though, as soon as you press that gas,
you're gone anyway.
It's gone.
I know how you feel now when you're in the passenger seat.
Yeah, do you know?
I was like,
you understand my feeling
what's
now.
happened here?
You understand my feeling now.
Yeah, I get you, bro. I get
like
you.
when I was telling you, when you're pressing it, it's just
I know.
going.
I've never been in the passenger seat.
Have you not?
No, I think once.
Okay.
But it was without the map.
I think it was right here.
Yeah, right here. This is my first time in the passenger seat.
Yeah. You know what?
And I'm the worst passenger ever. I don't mind doing it myself.
Yeah, because you're confident driving when you're a passenger, like you say.
I've got no control.
Yeah.
And last time I handed the Evo over to someone, it smashed into a wall.
Good, yeah. So you've got some bad experience, but don't worry. I've got some experience with that. I've driven a few, you know, like high powered.
It's not that, bro. You could be calling McRae, I'll still be a bad passenger.
Yeah. I know what you mean because of your experiences, yeah. But yeah, thank you very much, Fahid.
No worries,
do you want to shout out anything? Because you do have a few bits, don't you?
I've got my own garage, MOT bay, body shop, for detailing, customization, everything. I do everything to do with cars.
Yeah.
Buying and selling cars.
Do you have like a YouTube? Do you want me to shout out your YouTube page?
Yeah, I've got a YouTube.
What do you use mainly like
for my car sales?
Your stuff, your car
for my
sales,
car sales is Yorkshire Vehicle Remarketing.
Right.
And that's on Facebook as well.
On Facebook, right? I'll drop that link below if you need any cars. He's the man. He's got a lot of variety of cars from Bentleys.
Yeah, Bentleys, Evos,
you name it.
Everyday cars.
Yeah.
Anything.
Yeah. So guys, we're gonna end it here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.